How to disable USB debugging option of Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can disable the USB debugging feature. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So in order to disable or enable USB debugging, we would simply need to do it from the developer settings. In order to access that, I will go ahead and then open up the settings app on my Android. Once I open up the settings app, scroll down to the very bottom of the screen and you'll find this option which says about phone. Simply tap on the about phone button and select software information. Once you select software information, you'll find this option which is build number. Tap on it up to 7 times in order to actually enable developer options. So go ahead and then enter your passcode to confirm it as well. Once done, we've successfully enabled developer options. Now when you come back, you'll find another option which says developer options over here. We're going to simply tap on it, and on the list of these options we will simply look for the app called USB debugging. You can see this option. So in your case it could be enabled by default right over here. If you don't know what enabling the USB debugging is, it's a USB debugging is intended for development purposes only. Use it to copy data between your computer and your device, install apps on your device without notification, and read log data. So tap on the OK button in order to enable it. If you want to disable it, then you could simply turn this toggle off and you can come back. You could also actually turn off developer options if you want, but that would basically mean sometimes you would need to restart the device in order to save the changes. But this is it. This is the way on how you could very easily actually disable USB debugging on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.